Blessed love. Big up to all our people them who used to subscribe. We subscribe to DJ Crazy YouTube channel or we used to watch it. See me I say? Because me know no found I wonder how no know say we are posting a new video. But yeah what? Them Aqua channel and we now no access to it. See me I say? So we can't post no video because we now no access to the channel. Then take it over completely. We decide so we are going to start a new channel. So here are my peeps. Want to run over YouTube or subscribe to a new channel. Yeah, Sound System World TV. That's our new channel we are run with. We are try. We are try our fight again. Sound System World TV. Yeah, so I want to just run up back a subscription on that channel for me. Please and thanks. So we can go there go do the real work for now. You see me, because I don't know we go all over, you know. All over Jamaica. We go on a different sound system. New, old, small, big, in between. You see me? You don't know how we that. All over Jamaica. So I just run go over YouTube right now. Or subscribe to that channel, yeah. Sound System World TV. Our new channel that we are trying to offer. As we say, them act DJ Crazy. And we can get back the channel. We try several things and we not get it back. So we have to just forget about it. You see me? So, yeah. Go over YouTube right now and just click on the subscription button. You see me? I say, yeah, run up the subscription. That we can do with thing. You see me? I say, so now go over YouTube right now, subscribe. See me? I say, Sound System World TV. That's Sound System World TV. See me? I say, right now, please and thanks. You just do it. You hear my side? Sound System World TV right now. Over YouTube, new channel, brand new channel. You see me? I say, you just go over there, go subscribe right now. Yeah.
Yo, extra so hold on there. No one says something when it's so nice, you know. If them are sound and play them amount of bass, why build outside box with bass? That's that one though. Ooh, they have no outside bass box, bro. That will never happen. So you're different, because you're not carrying with you. You don't want no outside big oscillator man in this. Outside big oscillator. What if an engineer there, you know? The money kind of look dear across the road.
And this hour. Ecstasis. and I have sound amps plus car amplifier. By D-Max. CVR, dear CVR. Yeah. And the big boys them. Yeah. Well, small sound them I know. Yeah, I'm general, I'm looking at it. I small second class. Why name it general? Laser Force. Set up it.
What?
Yeah, man. Good. Alright, great money green. See that?
Check. Hey, you don't want to skip. Ultimate. I want to determine the class of the sound. Because this is how they have come up in and today. And the other side. So I want to determine the class. What are they doing girl class? And that's the base determine the class. I ask you. 63.
Bad influence.
Where I said general, me there man, me there.
Yeah, man.
I know
Sorry, man.
what's the size of the new class? Yeah. It's like you don't have one kilogram. Check that shit. You say you don't have one kilogram. So, alright. Take turn. Alright. Go on. Let's see a kilogram. Let's say, go on.
My name.
45 cars so.
You hear that 45 cars so.
Your pussy tight is like you're rocking at the seat. She did.
legend sound this and people. Yeah man. I'm general, I make me there. People with that Port Maria KR mobile sound activity. These are the big dogs, smaller class for the other side.
45 car sound. I want to know what type of color represent for 45 car sound. What is your DJ?
Laser force. Easy and crazy. Over here, so now we have a big boy. Ultimate Warrior play now.
influence, tell them say you're so bass for sound. Bad influence, I play sweeter. The bass line just move the Richter scale meter. You hear me now, no father need. Why you know? Mute everything else. Just only play the tweeter. I saw tweeter for sound. Side for sound, tell them. I saw on and tweeter for sound. Yo, listen to clarity. Bad influence sound, don't pay for charity. This is a message to promoters worldwide. Try you run, come call way. Make sure you can pray way. Hold there. I saw sound for sound.
So intense. What? My name. World boss. Yeah, world boss. World boss inside that one. Viper. They wanna just reach.
Other side there. You see where the ground up?
Let me general. Oh, Bruno. Yeah, a great Bruno this time. Yeah, bad sound. Yeah, Bruno. Yeah, man, a great Bruno.
Like how you use for
Bad Ben.
Don't push it down. Music's of only vanity and no love for you checks for only wealth and not for its physical health shall fade away.
Them just it.
So some believe in diamonds and pearl and feel like they're on top of the world, they shall fade away.
It's a voice note. It's a voice note.
Check one, two. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble. Watch out on the don't know in the people, you're total nice things. You come on the biggest clash in the world. Mobile, tsunami, clash. All who don't know me, know me now. See, the man say put things for people. Don't run up the people like Bill. Out a rubber dub Thursday. And alright? Alright. Don't come here, come reverse and run up the man like Bill. Yeah. So we'll put the final things them together and just start the ball a roll. See? We'll start from class 1 first. As what the promoter said. Listen to me now, you must start with bass and a thing named quality. Bass and quality. See, you play the tune where you know, say you tune up your sound pan that can get the best bass and the best quality you must know. So the promoter will work with. See, so class 1, line up on yourself because we're going at it right now. Stay around on the sound. And when we say sound check, on the sound check, just tick, 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 quick and fast, then we're going at it. Yeah, the bass and the clarity is one thing, or a two tune them are going to Separately. So when you hear, just play a tune where you know you can get the best bass line, and then you play a tune where you know you can get the best quality from. See? So what we're going to do first? Clarity. Alright. So ready for start the ball and roll. Vice note. Puma, give me a sound check. Give me a sound check there, please. Sound check. Yeah. Let me hear we have up your sleeve. Vice note, take it away, my brother. Put things from people. Yeah.
It's sugar, my baby. Sugar, my baby. Give me my baby. I just wanna love you. I can't wait to deliver my baby. Tonight I wanna show.
So decent and nice. So we say all who never get checked in a class 1. See? This. Alright. So you know, I was still in a class 2. Yeah. Word boss. You're telling. Ain't gonna need to take on word boss. Yeah. Look at that there. I'm representing him. Word boss. Word boss.
You know what I'm Mr. E representing for Viper Sound. Yo, Mr. J, you don't know it's a murder sound boy and I'm not stopping up, Mr. E representing. You want Viper Sound, run the whole city like the whole place or the whole town, it's easy. Ooh, yeah. Viper Sound, Mr. J, straight R.I.P. Some boy can't test me. Viper can't make you cry. Next some boy can't find. Some boy the trophy is mine. Mr. J, take your life away. Viper, I go take your bread today.
Alright, Viper, what up, where we have this? See, we have next games.
Alright, so we're going to class 3 now, starting with Ultimate Warrior.
Class 3. Ultimate Warrior.
Representing for Kingston. Oh, him can't. Alright, so you know, it seems like class 3 sound them can't do no sound test now.
Why?
There's a rain.
So
And this must shut down.
hold on.
Ultimate Warrior said I'm not take off the plastic. Come on, put your hands together for him. Alright, we'll move on. Alright, let's move on now to Mr. Dean Harris from Bad Influence Sound. Special award. Come on, put your hands together for him, man. Come on. These are special awards. He's getting a basket courtesy of Red Stripe, and he's also getting a trophy, all courtesy of Digital International. He is entertainment, and he is seen as a veteran in the business likewise. Put your hands together for him, please. And he is a great supporter too to the Tsunami Mobile Clash World, alright? Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Dean Harris. Dean Harriet, sorry. Alright? So the next person is from the Voice Note Sound, and he is Owen Dixon. Where is he? I must smile so. Alright, so he is Mr. Owen Dixon. And of course, this is an award showing appreciation, all courtesy of Digital Entertainment. Congratulations. Put your hands together for him, please. Come on, you know me with a little clap than me. No, man. You know do better than that, man. Thank you very much. Him having basket too. Alright? Our basket too. Give a shout out to the sponsors. Better Pack, Red Stripe, and of course we have Wissinko on board too.
Alright. Watch out now, clap.
One Owen Dixon.
No, me not like me writing him out there.
Alright. So we're going to move back to the sound veteran. A sound veteran, and this is indeed a great award. We're giving him a basket from Wissinko. He's getting a backpack from Better Pack and a trophy. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Martin Phipps.
Yes. Big up Mr. Martin, valuable contribution.
Of course, all courtesy of Digital Entertainment. You can't manage, sir? We better park. So you have one next background here, sir, one next background here. See it here? No man, you say you can't hold it. Sometimes you put pressure upon them and then home. Yeah. Yes, right. You can't go by one side, no. You can't go by one side, no. Yeah, but I hear something cool to the other side. I'm trying to. So Mrs. Phipps is added to the ball game. Alright, and this is all courtesy of Digital Entertainment. Put your hands together for the Phipps family. Come on, man.
Yeah.
Come, man. Hey, I said I'm not selling club them. Digital, we pay for them and ask Christ. Alright, so we still have more. This time, of course, we want to give this one too. An MC who have represented and stand tall, and he has also been one that has been standing by the Tsunami Mobile Clash. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome Mr. Christopher Benjamin. Crisscross. AKA Chris Cross. Angry. Oh, in a new government name. No. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Chris Cross. I don't name them no. Alright, so once again, all courtesy of Jerome Digital Entertainment, alright, and Mobile Tsunami.
Yeah, Chris Cross, you get my answer for it. Yeah, you want it?
Alright, so of course, last year when we had the staging of the Tsunami Mobile Clash, there was an award to be presented that was not presented. It is for the second place in the top plate round. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Nismo. Put your hands together for him. I'm alone there, I represent St. Mary now. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an award that should have been handed over from last year. And he runs the food. Oh, yeah. one. You make it like a 2025 one. I know you're getting 2025 one. Don't worry about it. He is in this one. This one, listen, give it to somebody. And the sponsors are Better Park, UNKNOW, and of course the Red Stripe. Put your hands together for this one for me, please. Digital, you have to go pay for some my club then. One this way, one this way. We have to go walk out and clap. Alright, I don't want to look now, make sure.
Yeah, man, look good, man.
Alright.
Yeah, stop here now, man.
So we're going to class one way to clarity. Once again, big shout out to the sponsors who helped to make this possible. UNKNOW, Better Park, and the Red Stripe. And of course, we have to give a big shout out to the Giants Complex, the entire Giant family, right?
Watching every sound man go around them sound, you know. Business time, you know. Every sound man go around them sound. See? Right now, we know where I go for now. Where I go for? Clarity
so we're starting with clarity. And the first sound going up is Legend Mobile from out of St. Anne.
Watch it out, people. Legend Mobile from St. Anne's. We are going for your thing named Clarity. Play the best tune where you have, where you know so you can get the best clarity, and the people are going to vote on that. We sound have the best clarity. People want to vote from the art without partiality. Clarity. So when we say vote, we say vote. See? Alright. We are going for clarity.
Myself and make sure we adjust the whole slash.
Yeah.
The crowd will be the judge.
Who know the judging people from the art to just vote? Even if your Bridget come here tonight and if sound no sound good, nobody vote for you. If the next sound better than him, you just vote for the next sound. Anyway, so you're my sister. You ready?
Go ahead.
Alright, give some more volume on the mic. Come over here, son, sis. Yeah?
No, I don't know what kind of body you have. I don't care what kind of area, but I don't promise you that. So you come over here, so.
Bruno, come up. Let me take out the song.
Alright, that's why I never really want to do that, you know, the clarity and the box them cover. It's like a
no man, I'm not talking about that. Oh. Over there, say, man, so that's the big sound there. Ready now? Ready? Now she said clarity. See?
Alright, so this is it now. The sound is a Legend Mobile from out of St. Anne. Let's go.
So. Listen up, people, clarity where I go for. I'm here. Why don't we?
India Santa, family tell it to run, they no fear run. Making it ready for this nation. Come on, come on up your mother. Inside your. This is the time then, rough one. You can't rough me up. You can't drink me up. Oh, we no freedom, no bull, no go pick up. Go for your army, go for your tanta. Go for your army, go for your army. Go for your hobbies, go for your pampa. Yeah, easy.
No, never run quick. But select up, you know.
Bruno Mobile, Game Changer, Big Bad Under, Legend Mobile, Rum Please Mobile, 45 Car Sound, Amazon Mobile, Lisbo Mobile, World Boss, Bad Influence, and Big Pop International. Nobody may name them, that's why I do that again. So if you don't hear your name, yeah, vintage.
Yes, brother.
If you don't hear your name, you can't nickname. Alright? So again, if you didn't hear your song name, you can just link them and add it to the list quick and fast. Alright? DJ, go.
That feature big bass sound called Amazon Sound. I took them still.
Yeah, when I'm not checking some them and bring them to me and make sure I'm not doing fast.
Yo, a Junior Mervyn in play, you know, brother. Yo, a Junior Mervyn in play, you know.
Run please. Something wrong with your check. Somebody then find 19 something there. No, yes, so we don't know. So on this my advance then.
One to them. One to them. One to them. One to them.
Ready? Alright, Amazon, your turn.
Yes, I'm gonna take out that feature big bass sound called Amazon Sound. I took them still. Rastafari, Rastaman sound, you know. You know, they're devil king. They're the biggest song I come get when I'm dead in tonight. Sound boy, you're the
Show of hands. Who said Nisma should advance? Alright, take them down, take them down. Who said Amazon took that round? Alright, Amazon won. Amazon, your turn. Your turn, Amazon.
Original Titan text music with Amazon champion song. More blessings to consider. Dragon.
Alright, Miss Mo, you're next. Don't use YouTube, you know, you have to Google it. Come on, we have a road. We want to say about a road. Adley, come here, Adley.
One on. No, you can't say the question. Just sit down.
Never contemplate here, Islam.
One.
Still low. Still out in 81.
I hate this that.
Yeah, but I'm not 80s. Enough to pass 80. Enough to pass 80.
Move, young bud.
Enough to pass 80.
Tell us how you're going to.
Oh, bomb.
I hate this man.
Yeah.
I hate this man.
Yeah, but simple.
But you know the pass it, you know the pass it. It's good man, it's good. The man good.
Anything with you, going so I
hate the one. I hate the one, you know, still have the one in there.
Alright, so Amazon, you win the round, you win it, so you know you win, but we still want to hear your final song.
No, sir.
So tune in. Tune in. The year of the song disqualified this. Lisma got the bigger forward, but the year of the song disqualified.
Timeless. Too much people have phone now. Everybody have come with a different name. When the song them come out.
Hey, we're not stressed.
Confuse the business.
Remember, me not so old, you know, so me all-ish. But me not so old, so me not know the year of Sunday. So what I do with that song a while ago, because somebody else found 1977.
When Peter touched them.
Alright, we'll move on. We'll pass.
Me no want a straight face round.
Till sound goes to war. Till sound goes to war. Tell them Bruno, me say we know you want the number one. This one, ding 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 ding. Whoa 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 whoa. War, my son, we know we are down. Hey, bang, better angle bang. What ta 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 dang dang. Yeah, boy, listen. Cause I know it's late, and I know you'll be there. I know you're planning, then they're gonna win me. Silly we are.
Bruno Sound is the number one sound. Sound boy, you're joking. Your amplifier smoking. We're gonna dust in the sound tonight. Don't want no dibby sound.
Yeah, Bruno Sound. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Bruno them kill a sound. Bruno tell them say one more night. We kill them so one more night. Bruno kill them so one more night.
Soundclash no easy. Soundclash no easy. Hold on. Well, when Bruno rings and dubs in head, no need to ball, no need to beg. Champion us even lead. Oh Lord.
Yes, Bruno. Oh yeah. Bruno always killing sound. Yeah. Now gonna never think like the sound. Yeah. Yes. See, I don't know nothing much about no jump and sound. I don't know about working with the system. I don't know about life on Miami Beach. But me will tell you about the streets. Ask them about Bruno. Yeah, yeah. Bruno. Whoa, whoa. Hear me? Hey. Well, early dance all morning. Bruno killer sound boy. Left it drunk to feeding.
4 generation these niggas down now. Yeah, bruh. Loud.
Yo, Bruno, what do some boy? Can't go out like that. Never yet get a chance.
Yeah.
Well, let me hear you them whoa. Yeah. Well, let me hear you them whoa. Yeah, whoa, yeah. Well,
number one. You know, Bruno, tear enough, spear enough. One, two, enough. Bruno, don't for year enough. Yo, Bruno, don't for come near enough. Say bad man fucking fear enough. Well, Bruno, no business, everybody dead. Try to hold the peace and hard boss in our head. Bruno, a robot from head down to Z.
Party boy, to make your freedoms get to your head.
Please, the man can't tell the shot, the man can't walk this one, let's go on. Easy grabber. Original rude boy sound, Bruno. Tell them this, a boy can't play them, don't play them. Tell them Bruno. In him, Bruno, a pop it tough, rough on for them there. Tough on for them there.
Chop the one in the head, good. Oh yeah. Boo 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 boo. Hey yeah. Big bad Bruno, big sound. Any boy this them that now. Sound boy. Bruno, I go kill you. Because him here say you're freaky. And Natalie say, and me say, he say, she say you eat it true. Bruno, slap one in the food.
Yo, Dan, yeah. See what the new thing with the new spice, it's like going on. Yo.
Watch him on Bruno play on.
Watch the number champion, think that I'm Jala bring. Play bounce out to make it, get them all different culture with different culture, call for DC, bodyguardsound. Do it, yeah.
Them check them feel like that hit.
Money good!
Come on, turn up. Up next, Money Green. Well, but remember this song as
Station identification this year.
You know, long me telling you something. They say the people them up a sail them run away be voucher your sentence. Then tell me say anything for dead tonight. I got dead. I mean I tell you say big bad under go murder jump and son boy. So you can call when him for look fame tonight. And I go shame and right now on it tap the big tune your aim. Run it make we show them up big bad under kill people. Simple. None of mercy. Boy. Big spot under we name. I will not play dirty game. But the general want them one more time. You wrong fi con trouble the champion. Say big saga kill you. Aye. Big spot under the champion sound. Now the long talking need and a big yeah, man. Come look up, full up, 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 look up, full up. Let me say, come look up, full up a class. Come look up, full up a class. Come look up, full up, look up, full up. Big fight. What we do? Play from now till the morning, man. Me feel like fish up. Why some of them come never dance the music? Some of them.
Alright, remember this is just a warm-up song. Stuff in my body, you're next.
Stuff in my band sound. Yeah man, I them are on the place man. Yeah man, George Hook said that. I mean I say yo, yeah, me try him. Rush on. Yeah. Stuff in my body, I play. You know. If you didn't know, then you know right now. Hey, stuff in my body, sound. He's the general. In all of the sun, them a come applaud. For the stuff thing, he's the general. In all of the sun.
Next one, you're next.
Listen me, Nismo. Let some boy know that the real war go start now. You boy got this on your Bruno. Your brother take some raw suit and me get to find out so when you walk through bush in a passport. Your donkey visa and call pussy passport. And you over this on your body influence and go like animal in your last soap. You go in here with the box where you think we are using raw soap. You want to know what gas soap come like your bun raw scope. Buckler. Pirate. Them boy they talk about war and the name of the diary. Sentan. From Bruno to the boy no raise the gun and a big gun we bust to think a baby gun and move off and we not say boy clear we gun and this one tell for your life and we ain't gun and cause now.
I want to buy your own next.
Vice note. I don't know what thing go.
Okay, word, it's serious.
Vice note sound. The song really bad in 2 years. For the police. Yes, you know, this is Richard Spice presenting. Play up! Yeah, Rasta love. I was a play this song. Yeah. Yes. Na 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 na. Well, let's go to the side. Yes. Yes. Hey, watch those places you're walking like. Watch out for them thing and sound, no claim say that it's mine. Watch out for them thing and sound, no claim say that it's mine.
Anyways, up next, Crazy Brown.
Crazy Brown sound them for no say I saw something set out to see. Father Brown them for no say I saw something set out to see. I say y'all Jeremy, Skeng, J-Lam, Shane, Gotcha. Arctic, join the Moses. Crazy Brown sound. Civilized center represent Crazy Brown. Respect Crazy Brown, call them now sell out. We kill jump and sound all about. Father Brown, respect Crazy Brown sound. We kill jump and sound all over. Lock down in the street, cause we're not afraid. The sound violate, kill them with dumb blade. Crazy Brown no take talk from no selector. Kill boy all over. Kill the sound.
Up next, Bruno Mobile.
This is the mobile tsunami. Giant car park. You never beat them and laugh. Take the plate and pump them in half. This is new merciless. Bruno tell them so I bun burst the best. Rhythm. Everybody know them one over there so sex dream. Port Maria, howdy. Bruno take the trophy tonight with proudly. Yeah, hear me? Bruno. None of them sound they no bad. None of them sound they no bad. Bruno. None of them sound they no bad. None of them sound they no bad. Big Pop, fat and frozen like hot. Bad influence, ugly and favor bullfrog. Stuff with them favor when donkey one pot. And poo back claims so still and say I'm glad. Vice got you know say you foot them big bad. Digital sound full of mad Jerona farm. I pattern them me sound stop sell panty pad. None of them sound they no bad. None of them sound they no bad. Bruno you hear? None of them sound they no bad. None of them sound they no bad. Hey Port Maria, I want some boy. Hey. Miss go a big Batman in I'm district. Wipe on them pussy like animal biscuit. Ultimate the Batman and just him up in a lipstick. That's how them beat him in a the dance in a map stick. You think I'm being this? Hard bunty. A bad merciless this from country. Chris Cross all your mind to eat so you can't rap with. One back a carry now but fuck him and a monkey. Money green boy you a whole gallus. And you sit down with Batman and a bun chalice. You make a mother your father embarrass. And you go sleep at hotel with Chuck Norris. D-Max a sweet native with him father. D-Max you must think so we fear you. We use a gal in your face a rocking cheer you. So when you run a pussy mouth we no hear you. And no time Bruno them no fear you. None of them sound no bad.
Facial identification.
Dancehall, listen on the soundclash stand. No sir. Up next, Game Changer. Game Changer, shoot.
Nobody. I'm for game changer.
Game Changer, shoot.
Not this one, even this one.
After Game Changer, you have Bad Influence and Money Green, City Benz, D-Max, Puma, Legend, Amazon. Again. Game Changer, you have Bad Influence.
No.
Alright, so let's forward back on this. So Bad Influence, shoot.
Alright, you want to tell me to spend this amongst
I make love to stuff you move my soul in gutter. And the guitar I watch a money green about the fist stage and them smile. But out the viper and the crew, them swell and them slick. Oh, my heart sliced up them, don't mash up the roots, them that's all I remember. My different killer that's out there.
Up next, Money Green.
You know, say, man, tell you the boys don't say a 6-bar squash himself. Represent the Money Green sound. Even a reach the whole Portmore. If them body on the station. Remember, man?
Come on, come on. Get up, get up.
Money Green mash up round up on the road. Flood, stuffy must have take pork. Dope, dinner sell back in back road. Choke, the girl them a chat a basis. All your fame and 16 body sport. Blood, Bridget on the top, but up boy skin. Ghost, me with killer boy I mean I know for sure. Them me watch it from my feet, so I see I do a post. Can't match up to a killer. Rich bad, listen now, you know what we in. Don't just Money Green sound, we a killer. LD shot boy, you know what we chill, man. So what's this stuff for me, so one for you? I ain't trying to get a being too mad up because the person that let you kill up on a over. That is Richie, I'm a fan daddy. Money Green, I'm a blood, and a candle. Don't mind, don't wrap it up the fan daddy. Richie, I'm a sick, put what in man, heavy. Money Green, buffy boy, funny than me.
Up next is Silly Benz over.
We are one of the members that are juggling, you know. Nobody now, yeah, man, that's how to.
Silly Benz.
That's how they want to kill me.
You know this is Guinea Pepper, the saga representing Silly Benz. I know Silly Benz sound. And the bodies, let me ask you silly. Make them know. Anything right against you, kill it.
Boom, boom, just nothing young. Thinking more dirty young. Boom, boom, just nothing young. Thinking more dirty man.
Them sound boy there when they say, girl, them a talk about them, you know. Sit in a face and shit in a face, you know. And you know, a girl, them a call them. Hey, the girl, them a say, B5 fam, B5 fam. Pussy the boy, them gun yam. The girl, them say, pussy the boy, them gun yam. No, the girl, them a call them vampire. The girl, them a call the son boy vampire. Them yam all them mother. The son boy yam all them mother. The girl, them say the boy, they suck him pussy, make him pussy go some.
Sure.
Brasa wala chanzo dia brasa wala toto wala sinasa brasa nekale brasa ya float no brasa wala amse float brasa do max no brasa no general no somebody I know it I know you're planning but turn it to the week. Now we for shelter, a heart like the sea. Why should we worry? Nothing will change.
Puma, sure.
Puma sound a rampant people at Irish that I represent. A music card for you, see me? Lindsay Church Road, Backward Crew. Squeeze! Hey Puma sound, it's a battlefield. Hot, 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 hot. It's a Puma sound, world's greatest. Beware, Puma sound well strapped, with X amount of depth up on the place now flat. Beware, sound boy no give no chat around here. Oh, yes it's a joy to see some sound come hype up themselves. We kill them easily, and got to work up myself. Puma families, free the youths of the shell.
Legend, sure.
King Shiloh.
That's right, sound boy, be careful. Yeah. You're going down. Lace fan with sunshine most of the time. In the dancehall, King Shiloh lay back. While your palm tree grow and your rents are low, but don't you know? King Shiloh sounds making the way back. That's the big bad sound of on the bass. Nowadays we love killing sound. Yeah, yeah. My sound is a sound we never play. King Shiloh is a sound we suggest you walk away.
Amazon, shoot.
Amazon tonight?
Well, this is Stephen Ragamuffin Marley. I'm making notes say Amazon sound. And we run the town. Somewhere for a runway tonight, you know. Port Maria town now. Good again. Dancehall. Big up yourself. Respect.
Change the sound, the reach and set the sound. You like your big up your damn self. Cinema Penny and a Bree, but when I watch them, Sister Kalanji, live on the living colors. Game change the sound.
Yeah, man. Two of them together, yeah.
Game change the sound.
Yeah.
Alright. There's nothing in them system of which they create on the realm. The criticize them from 9 men. Get paid your chance from. If they were to drown and move on, they're not different from the others, yeah. They lurk in the corners, skydiving in the street, flirting the town. They never do, cause it's shade. Always make a joy, making people believe in the room. Dance again, the fool you dance abroad. Game changer, champion song, so come and get so put the excitement, man.
Alright.
They don't want to know that.
No kick,
Alright.
Remember, no pick on the number, right? This is a instant.
I ain't know.
See, in sound, I go play a dub. How the crowd pick, move on to the next round. See, so you know, say, pick your destiny. See, everybody have the number, I don't know what time it is.
One shot.
So, Big Bad Under going up against Stuffy Mobile. Starting with Big Bad Under.
Sound guy is Big Bad Under sound the ugly and loose class like you. We beg God ring out with face and put it for sun. Because pretty looks done and you no get none. Sound clash come and I'll know them no win none. Ya hear me sentence be Major Macquilla say them sound over this was stray. Watch it, ya hear me Brownstone them a clown. Run that make we done that a one bad sound there and a big bad under. So watch this, the other rest of them a blunder. One dub plate from Major Macquilla and send them go sunder. So Nababun pack up and move. Move. Pack up on the sound and hey babuna. The class done and then I win none and the class done but on the cut out them tongue up.
Mobile.
Now hear this. A Stuffy Mobile. Where is the giant? Rush on. Father Stuffy. Shoot to kill. Pussy all them dead and gone and them one blood clot generally come this bad man. Yeah, able to explain boy dead before the hey. Run the rhythm just like in killing the talking. Get that look like green card parting early Sunday man. Pastor preaching, bunch and baking, put to sleep and Stuffy shot wake him. How would they feel like? Stuffy? We kill us out in the morning, kill us out in the evening, kill us out at a supper time. Stuffy mobile, that kill them when we know the and we kill them when we be and we kill them when we're feeling. Well, what's up with them? I'm a dead blood clot and a dead bomber clot. Dead pussy clot and a dead grass clot. With a dead blood clot and a dead bomber clot.
Hold on. Got a show of hands.
Who's a big spot on that? With the round there? Put up on one.
Big spot under. Put up the hand them. Take them down.
Who's the Stuffy?
Stuffy.
Alright. So Stuffy. That's it, right?
Yeah.
Just one.
Yeah, man, one shot.
One shot.
Up next.
Alright, so up next, Nisma Mobile versus Vice Note.
Nisma.
Send me a song.
Shoot.
No matter how I never start.
You pick the number.
I miss me. Gun chat with the people. Conscience represent. Yeah, keep the rhythm fast on the skill about faster than the. I hear me in the next one. Conscience. Next one. I'm to some talk. Make me. Landing no friend from nobody. But them respect everybody. And we better than everybody. So please know we're running anybody. There's no friend no better than we.
Vice Note.
Well, you know Vice Note sound. You don't know the ghetto man sound so much in a papa. Just let it play. Right away. Hey, what's up now? Hey, follow me. Hey, go ya now. Vice Note sound. Hey, what's up? Papa in, give them a clip full. Out on the market. Drop them with the rifle.
By show of hands. If this not take that round, put up on one.
By one shot, one kill. One shot, one kill.
Let them know.
Vice Note.
If Vice Note take it, put up on one.
Vice Note and more.
So this one, where players stand there?
Vice Note. Yeah, man. They are more.
Alright, up next, Crazy Brown versus Bruno Mobile.
Crazy Brown.
Yo, Crazy Brown song. That's a yo father Brown, me say yo Jeremy Skeng. Jalen, yo Shane, yo Culture, yo Maxine, the real queen. Man, a fall gonna rise. I just bullet na the wise. Crazy Brown, I do some bumbo class sound, but them bother just maggie jam flies. We and them pussy on a size. We send them commit Christ. Crazy Brown sound, pull up with a blood clot rifle and nothing no nice. A boy better think twice. Alone body vice. From the violate Crazy Brown sound, pussy old boy you pay the price. Rifle shot cut them light up. Them blood they run like a ball.
Anybody up there?
Yo, this is DJ Bruno. Bruno come to kill off everything that rise up in a dancehall. You ever build a copper shot out of 1 cent? You ever par with Bruno or the president? Make one pop out a bicycle bar yet? Make police boy run left them car yet? You ever rub out a serial number? When you little make gun out a lumber? You ever hide gun with machine lube yet?
Show of hands. If you say Crazy Brown, take the round, they want me to see the handle. Take them down. If you say Bruno, take that round, let me see the show of hands. Alright, so Bruno gone with that one. Up next, Game Changer up against Bad Influence. Game Changer, shoot.
What they don't know is that the game changer sound is, you know, are the ultimate. Big up Jerry, your respect, call up in you. Licky Country say, run the place. Yeah, man. Game changer. You're this big gun man wise more than the nice. This game changer, we get the shot between the eyes. Like the front the line, the fastest so we are gunshot in the brain.
Bad influence. Dean, bomber clat, all the sounds so bad and mean. Gunshot for them boy, they will put them face in between. Yo, Sharon. What, Mumsy? Yeah, man, the boy, the voice if you go Google them, mama pussy. I want to them, yo. When bad influence cat, in the pussy when no light it. Grab up on the mama body and bite it. We shot pussy, we no cost no fight it. Go get a blood clot, will boy, go sit down and write it. Bad influence.
Show of hands. Who's a game changer? Take the round there.
Who's somebody doing second?
Alright, so Honey Green going up against Silly Ben's Mobile.
Honey Green, sure.
Sabalon for them, Sabalon for them, Sabalon for them. I'm gonna come to Money Green Mobile song. I want to come to spread DJ Richie. Why? But I don't care about the bit. Money Green just ready for the dead. Don't matter what they did. Money Green a kill my boss. Well, if this war is war, can't done. And the war, Richie now run. Anything this and they done. Yeah, stay down.
Silly Ben's Mobile.
What I'm saying? Silly Ben's time to listen. Big up Silly. I'm at the end of the world right now. Everybody's let it loose like a wild mongoose. Hey, whoa, gotta get them slow.
By show of hands, if Honey Green win that, put your hand over there here.
No, two of them can't watch. Two of them can't watch.
Take them down. All of the silly banks put them behind them.
Alright, so Money Green advance. Up next, D-Max versus Puma. D-Max, shoot.
D-Max, anywhere we go, we please the crowd. Anywhere we go, we please the crowd. You know somebody, you know. We are bad people. Anywhere we go, we please the crowd. I want some boy. And I swing in the mountain, and I'm trying to find a Patsy and a Susie to one head boy when I do. Hey, we don't feel nothing up. They don't know who they run gun this. I jack out them like Burko and Chris. When D-Max in the feeling sound.
You are one to them. Motherfucking niggas, you know they ain't gonna live another day. The fucking cake gonna spray. None of mercy. Bumbo whole body kept decay. Limbs they don't play. Church road. None of mercy. So when I go dead down on the world, me I tell. Few of them have a god name, said one I hell. This few of them in a minute.
All who's a D-Max win the round, put them on. All who's a Puma, put them on.
Let's long lesson. D-Max.
Alright, so D-Max Legend going up against Amazon. Legend going up against Amazon. Legend, shoot.
What a wicked up. King Shiloh. Boy, blood went out like a mile. I want to them, boy. Them can't style the fire rock, killer. Magic, crazy, Professor Blue. Yo, he's a killer. It's all like the Godzilla. Gunshot to them face. Me punch by me waist. Batman tongue up or ring.
no even talk Chris. Wait for me a glass and to me show face. Party one them can't touch and believe. And then the skin shine a bullet off your level.
Amazon, show.
Amazon, some boy disrespect and never know what to have one. Godzilla show them what one. Yeah, and that have one. Hey, some pussy I go dead in here tonight. Godzilla come for the life.
By show man, all who's a legend put up behind them right now. Take them down. All who's a Amazon put up behind them. Amazon. Up to the next show.
Ja, we switchen hem op.
Well, I'm there. Start coming out and get serious.
Alright, the rolling on this tree, yeah? We have put it together.
The rolling on this tree. Line up the band up there. You want to go out, everybody say, what the kind of? Everybody say, every time they pick them get first. So everybody, I'm going to just pick them choice. Who? See? Or who go up next and you think you're going to spin out who's the heads, who's the tails. You're going to see them on the kind go. See?
Hold on. Where is the player?
See? People man go and get them sound together. Make you like the thing right now. See there?
Straight.
So, big business. Right?
Yo, you should have make 2 play off and then I'll do it unfair still.
Yeah. Alright, so who first on?
We have Flip Coin first. We have Stuffy versus Bad Influence.
I'll pick the kind right now. Or then the kind of one.
Two of them up there.
Bad Influence and Stuffy. Yo, hold on. It's about that kind of one, boss. Got it? Stuffy? Okay, so. Deal that for the girl. Who is it? Stuffy, you decide what to go on in it. You are playing. Stuffy, you play.
Yo, one on that stuffy mobile up in this bumbo clout. One to them Russian, one to them Jahim. Pipe the laser beam. Yo, stuffy, put the bumbo clout to them. One up in this. Yo, stuffy mobile, one to them blood clot. Boy, that's a beat up them lips and gums. Stuffy mobile run this blood clot zone. Send them home to the bones and zones. Boy, you take this time. Me have a gun, you take shit on plan. Boy, take same time. Spend me someone like a line. Stuffy them now, not speak their mind. A boy see this time, I don't like him lying.
Bad Influence, Christian. Miss Adi, rough them up, you know. First lady, sure. Rough them up. Bad Influence, a killer sound. In a real life. Influence, a killer sound. Real killer sound. Jump on head a bus way. Deed where the gun there. Kill from Sunday to Sunday. But if we tell her jump and feel runway, cause anytime we gun rise up head a bus. Jump and a gunshot in your face. If a pussy you a taste in a real life.
What show of hands? All who's just stuff it around the put on. Take them down. And who's a bad influence? Put up an arm. Oh, that's what one.
Bad influence, shoot.
Let me say your bad influence song. What party boys stuff the bomba? Right influence, bad one. Two and blue never head all. But in white money grip, why are you can't beat mighty bad influence? We have a girl. Bad influence of the murder. Bad influence.
Stop it, shoot.
Now we retreat to the #1 foundation champion for your entire generation with positive vibration and the songwriters and musical murder. Creation, Stuffy Mobile, a rule from creation. Father Stuffy, Jaim, Roshan, no we culture say. Anything test and try tackle. Them a go dead in the back. Check it. If them this, them a go dead this mess. Find themselves up on the dead soundless. Stuffy Mobile, a chemist like this. Stuffy a teacher with no apprentice. Stuffy Mobile, where you been through hills and valleys. And survive out of the old gangster alley. No gunshot, Stuffy skip and alley. When them think we dead back in the juggling, we rally. We want them all up.
And who's a bad influence? Take it, put up an arm. Oh, see, look. And who's a Stuffy take it? All who say stuff it, take it, put up on the one.
Bad influence too. Influence, done.
Alright, so that's it for me, bad influence, moving on to the next round. Now, we're gonna flip the coin. Bruno versus Vice Note.
Vice Note, Bruno.
In the meantime, there's a red passo, license plate 8240. HKL 8240KL, a red passo, you're blocking.
We saw that kind of one, boss.
It's a red, no, come on.
Hey, Bruno, you decide who to play.
It's a Vice Note. Bruno.
Bruno, what you say? Vice Note, the man say you for play here, sir.
This is the original Colonel Campbell bigging up Vice Note song. Kill them. Oh. Vice Note, you're the #1 sound. It's easy to remember, but so hard to forget. The day Vice Note killer sound in the dance. Yeah, yeah.
Bruno.
And this is the baddest bomber clats on the world. Bruno. Zaga sound. I would ever have bread. Oh, the blood clot. I make it clear now. Where are you? Over there, so let me tell you this bomber clot. Bruno sound come to murder your bomber clot.
Show of hands.
All who's a Vice Note, put up an arm. Take it down. All who's a Bruno, take put up your hand.
Bruno, shoot.
Them fi know say right now Vice Cartel aka DJ the war teacher represent for Bruno. Say I said Bruno kick it like the ball, you know. Now me tell you this, you can't dump me in my mouth, can't box me in my face, them can't. All you off on a puff and a one. You can't dump me in my mouth, you can't box Bruno at 9 feet. You have to just say what you feel for say.
Vice Note, shoot.
Vice Note, shoot.
I'm most glad. Represent for Vice Note Mobile Sound. I wouldn't scare two-face. We have a care with the body's 2 days. Push. What clap? Boom, skyline. Boom. Voice note mobile sound. Tell them. Gunshot, make it jump on. We guns no malfunction. Guns got over that option. But in the sound, but for run from. Never. Shadow grave, not broke on. Voice note, kill jump on.
Show of hands.
All who say, Bruno, take the round and put up the one. Take them down. All who survive, so take it, put up the one.
Bruno. Done.
Alright, so that means Bruno. Moving on to the next round, alright? In this round, we have 3 sounds. So the 3 of them have to go face up. Oh, we have to look kind now, because we have Money Green, we have D-Max and Amazon. Go ahead now, do me that general.
Yo.
We make that decision, we figure out how we have it. Our pick,
Make them speak. I make them play 1-1 song and drop out one. I play 2-2 and drop out one. 1-1 and drop out one and then
Alright, just 3 songs. We want to make sure that we man get them fair chance. So each man will play a song and the man 1 single song. See? You see the man will win. That decide who play first and who play last. So you have to play for your chance right now. See? So the song where you play will win the crowd. If you win the tree, out of the tree, and you will talk overplay. Who you want to go first?
D-Max.
Mickey.
Yes. You're more pressure.
D-Max, boy, man, D-Max, sound, pan. D-Max, you sound them, amplifier strong. Run it along, big respect to the man called D-Max, the man called original K-Mix, and the man called Sonny. Never run out of money. Burner for the broke, catch him for many. Play by the kings of the soul I bring. Original bad man sound, original wicked man sound, original bad man sound, original boy. Leave. The name, Panny Wapana, you don't champion it. Sonny Wapana, you don't champion it. Boy, you are boy, you not mad yet. Boy, you are boy, you not mad yet. D-Max, look past us.
Amazon.
Hey, don't beat yourself and try to test Amazon. That's it, I'm just squeeze it. Them sound you're really top. Do that. Someone this and pass the blood clot mother. Amazon. That mercy. We don't know why them sign them at top of the top. We never get put them in our soundclash. We don't know why them sign them at top of the top. We never get. Give me the
Money Green, shoot!
Sound like sound and a limited sound. You need that technique like pound round. Face you up to the time and a rich it. Pour more up to the time. That's a rich. Boy, found my bitch. See me a sign of yo. Some boy you talk about them run ass like road from Portmore to Portland. Yeah, we did Bamstada. Yo, money green up here where you back from. Nor the ends of your chat from. Gunshot make you fall like the bitch over land.
Alright, we can find out now who have the pick. All who say D-Max with this, put up on one right now. Take them down. All who say Amazon, turn around and put up on one.
Take them down.
All who say Money Green, put up on one. Amazon, pick. Who you want to play first, who play second, and who you choose who you want to play. You have the choice.
So hold on, before you move on.
Who you want to play against?
Who you want to play against?
Yeah. Hold on. BMW 7350 JM, you're blocking. BMW 7350 JM, you're blocking.
Alright, they say who Amazon play against? Who ever play against? Money Green or D-Box?
Money green, we saw it.
Amazon, which one of them Amazon? D-Max or Money Green? D-Max.
Keep some to jump on like crocodiles. But it's the sonic, man and chemicals, I'm dancehall fix. But easy man like crack, music and everything that's there. Let me in the man, big up. Hey, yeah, big man, we are so killer. Killing some jump and down over. Coming up in a so them break it up. That's how we are one them again. So big man, we are so killer. Killing some jump and down over.
Yeah, this is Beanie Man, the king of the dancehall, representing Amazon sound. We come for kill sound, so you kill sound and done. Jackson drives the pump action. Godzilla, the shoot push roll it off a pillar. Badman thing in there laughing, skin teeth, skylarking, and clean rhythm. We come for kill sound. None of them close to them no bad like we. None of them close to them no tough like we. None of them close to them no raw. Like it's a church that young and the next.
Okay, alright. So show up hands. If you think D-Max, take the round and put up your hand. Alright, take them down. One time less.
I show up and lose the Amazon, take the round and put up on the wall.
Look round. Yo, you look stylish, no? I look like him.
Amazon, shoot. So that's a one. Woman is so good.
Yeah, man. Here are more people, man. There are more people, man.
Amazon, shoot.
Well, this is Beanie Man, the king of the Bamba Clan dancer. Yeah, posting this program that gunshot to them man. Yeah, Amazon sound run the blood clot place overall. It is a Godzilla. Yeah, shoot boy off a pillar, bad man thing man, a real Bamba Clan killer. Yeah, play murder them car. We run the place. Sing yeah, posting this program.
Short post all from my mind here. Them blood run like I. You didn't got bad man to here with no smile. Them pronounce the note called D-Max, Boogie and Chemics and Vibe. See. Oh, when you're feeling very up one morning. D-Max, big man, kill every nothing. Feel like your arm is up your body. Guys on the fence smoking and then shackles.
Alright, about the show of hands.
All who say Amazon, take that road, put your hands in the air.
If you say Amazon win the round, the show of hands. Take them down.
All who say D-Max, put up the one. D-Max, shoot.
Alright, to the most stylish and to the first, give thanks to Cyber Man from a far blend around. Alright, to the D-Max mobile sound is my sound, real sound, they must give thanks. Alright, take a mix, there's a play, and yes, alright then. Alright, bring it, yes, get out of it. Alright then, I saw killer in my heartbeat. I guess we must have seen another army. I saw me, yes, they never lose a clash with you, I guess we kill them in that time.
Yeah, this is I'm a sound, top lion sound. Godzilla. Lion.
By show of hands, and who's the D-Max that around and put up on the one?
Alright, that's our load. Alright, that's our load. Alright, that's our load. Yeah, alright, that's our load.
By show of hands, and who's the Amazon that around and put up on the one?
Amazon, man. That can't hide, Amazon, man. You can't hide. No, but Amazon have more on, man. Amazon, man. Amazon have way more on. Amazon have more on. By far.
Whatever you on, man. What you say?
Amazon, man.
We're not consulting over this, alright? Amazon take it.
2-1, the best of 3.
Alright, and the best of 3, so 2-1, that means that Amazon move on to the next round. Alright, so now we have Money Green going up against Amazon. And we have Bad Influence going up against Bruno.
Flip it kind, man. Flip it kind, man. Flip kind, man.
Bad Influence, Bruno. I flip the kind again, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, him get more vote, brother.
Bruno, you win the round, like this.
The first song I talk about, he get a little bit more.
Bad Influence say you win the vote.
He get a little bit more the first song.
Russell from 100 years. Bad influence. Bad influence. Don't back up in a boss of a stomach. Look up. Iron hard on them. Keep them shine on Chris. Back up a shot. Who be a rigging on them? Make a boy turn purple. Let him get it. Lord, show to the winner. Who's fight?
I have no problem.
Can you advise you know the ball door pass? One dance man, I'm here to represent the Bruno. One dance pass. Bruno. Make them know say no, you're the killing machine. And no boy can follow you up. Done. 3, 9. Hello. Bruno Soul. Done. Bruno, what do them? Yo, tell them Bruno the cap. You know when you have to say party car, 39 good. Bruno kill a sound in the family. Dark, how we know.
All who's the Bad Influence, put up an eye. Take them down. All who's the Bruno, turn around and put up an eye.
In a massacre, you hear me say one Bad Influence, then the boy violated what them ever done. They say, yo, they the sheriff. From them, one side till the landslide. Bad Influence, badness have it on up. They be sell a deal. From one, I saw that. They be sell a deal, children. Tell them to violate, you know. They saw never die, hear that? Bad Influence. But dog start sell wine stall knock off the stone. Out time kitchen now my shops are closed. 17 short off the shut off them nose. They may sell Bad Influence. They near me killer, you're me killer. Yes, off the post. Killer, you're me killer.
Bruno, show.
I'm for your bomber clan. I want the bomber clan here.
Hey, Bruno, you don't know the thing going on. I know the gun them never swing going on. I mean, I say you're Bruno, so they know massacre represent. I mean, I say you're genocide. Bruno sound what them kind, everything in them brain, have them body in them hardball. Bad like 90s dancehall. Bruno sound hardball. Bad like 90s dancehall. Hear me a tell them, man. Yo, Bruno, make to murder them, make to kill them now. Bruno, they pussy them. Start it and them a run them to one call. Boom! Roberto Carlos, hardball.
All who say bad influence, put up an one.
I get how it's wrong that man.
Turn them down. All who say Bruno, put up an one.
I dash your son. Bad influence, man. You are going to come on.
Yes, man. A bad influence, so them know say a bad man too. Probably it's okay feel that one of them batty boy too. But from boy take it far, you know, so we take it further. Now the share. A murder, bomb bubbler. Who won't me blood clot? Heart me no most no cat hustlers. They have a father. Why are you? Mama, them man, your name got it down. So stop your mother. We're not from.
Bruno, show.
I tell you about man who fire out them shot too early.
Can represent. I mean, say your Bruno sound. Genocide. I mean, say your Bruno. Murder boy, you know. You know the thing go, you gringo, you know. You understand it, you know. Them for no send the roll out and win me with a war. You understand? They present favor this bomb plan, so hold on. Oh, gas them up with a busty cylinder. But they can all Bruno out at the window.
All who say bad influence, put up an one. Set them down. All who say Bruno, put up an one.
Bad influence, I see that.
Alright, so bad